Coconut milk face mask, makeup remover, hair conditioner and sun spray recipes. Coconut milk and oatmeal face mask recipe. This face mask is natural at curing acne, skin irritation, and signs of aging, and it will leave your skin feeling incredibly soft. First, heat a quarter cup of plain oatmeal in a half cup of coconut milk. Strain the oatmeal from the milk, discarding the oatmeal for another use. You should probably eat the oatmeal, it's loaded with vitamins. Allow your milk to cool slightly before adding a quarter cup of freshly ground nutmeg. Gently exfoliate your face and neck with your fingers, focusing on any problem areas with blackheads or wrinkles. Rinse with lukewarm water. Coconut makeup remover recipe. Combine equal parts of coconut milk and rose water, a teaspoon of witch hazel, and a few drops of rosehips oil in a tinted container for an awesome makeup remover that you can use all over your face. Coconut milk detangling leave-in conditioner recipe. To reverse the effects of tangled knots in hair, use 3 parts coconut milk, 1 part avocado oil, and 12 drops of rosemary and sage essential oils to keep damage and breakage out of hair. Heat the coconut milk and avocado oil together over a low flame and then add your essential oils. Section and apply on damp hair and work from the edges to the root of the hair. Coconut milk and avocado face mask recipe. There are several ways I put coconut milk on my face, but the latest of my beauty hacks has my face feeling soft, hydrated, and clear. I use half an overripe avocado, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of raw honey, and about a quarter cup of coconut milk. This mask is especially great right after exfoliating because of the soothing, moisturizing qualities. Coconut milk sun spray recipe. To quickly relieve the discomfort and appearance of a sunburn, all you need is a little coconut milk in your life. It will reduce redness that the sun left behind while it was stealing your skin's moisture. How to make coconut milk sunspray recipe. To make coconut milk sunspray, use 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, and 1 tablespoon of fresh cucumber pulp. Temporarily store your sunburn treatment in a spray bottle and refrigerate after each use. Do not attempt to save this for next year's sunburn though, this treatment is highly perishable. Coconut milk does not discriminate, it's literally great for all skin and hair types. According to sources at Livestrong, the fatty acids in coconut milk is moisturizing and nourishing. It's exceptionally great for oily skin because the fatty acids that coconut milk is known for are naturally antiseptic and do not have a habit of clogging pores, meaning you can clean and hydrate your skin at the same time. If you are looking to soothe minor skin conditions or solve your quest for healthy hair, then the coconut milk recipes in this video should get you started right. You can make your own coconut milk or purchase a raw, organic milk at your local grocery. Coconut milk is extracted through the meat of the coconut, something that's actually pretty easy to do yourself. Plus, if you do it yourself, you can have some leftover coconut water to drink too. Coconut milk has a variety of anti-aging benefits, and not just the skin-deep kind. Don't forget to check out the recommended products in the description box below this video. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more research-based home remedies, natural health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching.